Welcome traders to this live market analysis. I'm Juan Maldonado from Elliott Waves Street, and it's a pleasure to share with you some of our market views for the week. It's going to be a key week in the markets, a key week in the world, and we have to get ready for those significant legs that are going to start setting up soon. Our main plan this week is finding the completion of the second wave on the euro that is in progress and is not over yet. The main plan is having some sort of a 5-wave sequence here in order to start looking for the completion or the end of the second wave. Today in the morning, during the New York trading room that we have on the website, on the membership, we were looking for the euro to continue lower for now, for the short term, and we still consider that it has a room to the downside. It could be that the price moves under this previous pivot. That's an alternative, that's a possibility. So the price can move into this area here. And if that's the case, we could have some sort of a rejection from there, or it can bounce before. The key is knowing when we can start looking for the trade. So it could be from here, it could be from here, but the plan is to get back to the previous high this week. The only thing that can cancel this plan is a massive withdrawal of the big guy liquidity. Let's say that eventually happens a candle like this one here. We are not going to continue in that direction if that's the case, right? But that will be something that could change plans. But without that type of price action, let's say we continue seeing small candles going down, we're going to get ready for the bullish trade on the euro. So that's going to be the main bias on the euro this week. And of course, the S&P is going to show us something similar. So last week, we started to see some signals in our trading rooms that the S&P was having some troubles here and that we might be seeing a retrace. As we can see on this chart, the candles were quite small when the S&P for the very first time crosses the 500 area. So from there, it starts the retrace. There is inside a 5-wave sequence. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the wave A right here. And then we have the 3-wave sequence for the B wave. Today, we started the sell process in our group. We started to find the sell trade here near the highs, and the plan is having the C leg. So for the very short term, we are bearish. We're looking for a little bit more of bearishness on the S&P, and once everything is in the right place, the plan will be buying the S&P, but not yet. That's the point, and that's the beauty of adding the liquidity to the wave counts, because we know when it's the proper time to start following the price in the opposite direction, let's say, to find the end of the second wave. So not yet. We might have a little bit more of bearishness on the S&P before the bounce. So for now, we're going to start the week a little bit bearish on the S&P, just getting ready for the bounce and the move up. And there is an interesting setup here on gold, which we are already looking for the setup, and it's finding the end of this second wave. Here we have many elements. Look, there is the rejection of the lows one time and a second time. That's accumulation, so here and here. Then the price bounces up fast, breaking the previous wave 4. This is what we call the change of behavior. And after that, the price builds the corrective wave, which we are in progress. And this seems to be the area that is going to start the reversal. There is already a signal that we can start using. And let's suppose that the price allows a little bit more, it's fine, right? If the price moves into this area, let's say that rejects and we start the process again from there, it's fine, right? It could be from this area here, it could be a little bit lower, but the level that we are watching is the 376 or 380. This is going to be the area at least, probably more than that. Probably we're going to have something back to the 400s area, but for now, let's focus on this reversal. This is going to be the main plan. Traders, this is the plan for this week. Please visit us on ElliottWavesStreet.com. There you can sign up for the membership and you can find all about our group where we have the trading room and we have a lot of technical analysis and institutional analysis for you. Have a fantastic start of your trading session. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.